Hello, I'm Sky with Graco, and I'll be showing you how to assemble and adjust the height of your Day2Dream bassinet. To assemble, you'll need your bassinet, 2 handle tubes, and 2 bassinet feet. First, you'll connect your 2 handle tubes. Next, put your bassinet feet on. Make sure you push down until you hear a click. And do the same thing on the other side. Now you're ready to put your bassinet on. Find your bassinet top rails inside the bassinet and line them up with the plastic piece that has the Graco logo on it. Then you'll just push it in until you hear the click. And you'll repeat it on the other side. Make sure you snap all the 4 snaps. Last, you can pull your canopy up and use the hook and loop tape to attach it. And now you have your Day2Dream bassinet. There are 3 height positions: low, middle, and high. To adjust from low mode to the middle mode, squeeze the button and pull up until you hear a click. Do the same thing from middle to high. The first 2 positions may be used on or off the Playard bassinet. The highest position may only be used off the Playard. To adjust from high to middle, squeeze the button and lower your bassinet. Do the same thing from middle to low.